and 2 green Z34. I was going to say it's 28 degrees, but something tells me it's a little chillier. I might tell you here in a minute. But my deuce here is almost completely full of used motor oil. There's a few gallons of diesel and a few gallons of gas in it, but mostly motor oil. So we're going to see if it'll cold start for us. I have no flame box on it. I got no block heaters or anything on it. There's just strictly what you get is what you see. I mean, here's my gauges. Turn my tank on. So it has 34,097 miles on it, and 129.5 hours on it. Right there. We're gonna see if it'll start for us. It's very brisk out. I don't know if you guys can see the stack from there. I don't know, guys, it's cranking pretty hard. I hit it with no ether or anything, and I really wanted it to start without ether, but we'll give it just a couple more tries, and if it don't start still, then we'll know that we gotta hit it with ether. Yeah, I don't want to kill my battery, so we're going to hit it with full ether. Use a little starting fluid on it. People say, oh, don't do that, but I've done it quite a few times. I'm sure that they're probably right. It will maybe eventually hurt something. Battery come off. Fingers are too cold to activate my touchscreen anymore. There's my ether. Let's hit it right in there. Usually it will start without it, but again, the deuce has sat here for a week, and all my vehicles have been sitting. The only thing I've been driving is my Aveo, and that's why you're not seeing a cold start on that, because I have been driving that. That's all I wanted, was just a puff of ether. Probably time for me to thin it out a little thinner than what I have been, but I'm going to let that run, but you guys seen the cold start of everything that's worth looking at as of right now. I mean, I got a couple other vehicles I could do, but maybe we'll do them some other day. Thanks, you guys, for watching. As always, have a nice day.